Good day everyone, I am Larisan Sidukyatan and this is my vlog for my module paper 1. I describe myself as a nutritious sandwich. The reason I chose the sandwich is that, like me, it has many different facets to its personality. The elements that have shaped who I am today are represented by each part of sandwich I made. So let's get started. Number 1. Factors shaping myself. Bread serves as the foundation of my life. It is my family, community, and culture. As taught in Module 1, the self is shaped by both biological and social factors, and this gives me resilience. Meat, on the other hand, represents my values and beliefs, which are connected to philosophy because they give me strength and guide my actions. Vegetables symbolize my experiences, always providing growth and color, much like the influence of society and relationships on oneself. And the cheese and salsa represent my knowledge, because learning gives depth and meaning to life. And finally, spices are my choices, just as Module 1 taught us that freedom and decision define who we are and shape the direction of our lives. The philosophical views. The philosophical views The philosophical perspective I've embraced is pragmatism, which reminds me that I learn more through real-life experiences like tasting different flavors of life. This perspective shaped me because it taught me to value practical experience and hands-on learning over pure theory. Third, scientific views. The scientific perspective I have adopted is about psychology, which is essential for understanding behavior and self-awareness in order to be more careful in interactions and self-reflections. Number 4, major learnings in Module 1. In Module 1, I learned three important things. First, I am shaped, we are shaped by both internal and external factors. Second, that philosophy and science work together to clarify our identity. And third, that growth is continuous and my choices will determine who I will become in the future. In my conclusion, I see myself as a sandwich. My life, my life, values, experiences, knowledge, and choices are all layers that make me whole. And just like a sandwich, I'm still open to adding new ingredients as I grow. Thank you for listening!